Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to assign facilitators to a course. First, click the courses icon on the dashboard or click Products and select Courses from the left navigation panel. You will reach the course dashboard where you can view the list of active courses. Select one course and click Assign Facilitators. Facilitators are required to create course content and also for other activities. In order to assign facilitators for a particular course, click Assign New Facilitator. Select the facilitator you want and click Assign. The facilitator you selected will be assigned to the course. Thank you for watching this video on how to assign facilitators to a course.